Hello everyone. What you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics working here in the shop with me, so relax. We're going to get this fixed. When a customer comes in with that message on their BMW, the first thing we explain is simple. The power steering system is reducing its assistance, which is why the steering wheel feels heavier. Many customers tell us all of a sudden the wheel got stiff. And that happens because the system goes into protection mode when it detects something that doesn't seem right. Now, something we see all the time in the shop is that it usually starts with the battery or the electrical system. Several customers come in saying, "This started after I changed the battery or when it was acting up." And in most cases, we find unstable voltage. Like one of our techs says, if the current isn't right, the steering stops helping you. Building on that, we also run into cases where the issue is with the electric steering motor or the EPS module. Some customers mention the message comes and goes, and that's usually a sign of an intermittent fault. In the shop, we keep it simple. When it comes and goes, it's almost always something electronic starting to fail. On the other hand, some customers come in after heavy rain or after washing the engine. They tell us everything started after the car got wet, and in several cases we find moisture in connectors or sensors. As we always say, water and electronics don't mix. Any moisture can cause this kind of issue. At the same time, we also see situations where the message shows up along with other warnings on the car. Some customers say multiple lights came on at the same time, and that already points to a possible communication issue between modules or shared sensors. Also, something not many people consider is the steering angle sensor calibration. Customers tell us the wheel doesn't feel centered or the car behaves oddly, and that can cause the system to limit assistance. On many BMW models, a recalibration or software update can solve the issue. Finally, something we see quite often is people trying to clear the fault by disconnecting the battery. And yes, many come back saying it went away for a few days, but then it came back, and that's when we explain it clearly. That doesn't fix it, it just hides it for a while.